Serotonin and disorder, mood, emotion, and balance. Serotonin is one of the most widely discussed neurotransmitters in psychology. It is often linked to mood and happiness, but like many brain chemicals, its role is far more complex. Serotonin is involved in mood regulation, sleep, appetite, emotion, and even decision-making. So what happens when serotonin systems become unbalanced? To understand this, we begin with a brief history. Serotonin was first identified in the mid-20th century as a chemical involved in blood vessel function, but it was soon discovered to play a crucial role in the brain. Research into serotonin helped shape early biological explanations of mood and led to the development of widely used antidepressant medications. Serotonin is produced in areas such as the raphe nuclei in the brainstem and is distributed widely throughout the brain. Because it influences so many systems, disruptions can lead to a range of psychological and physical disorders. One of the most well-known conditions associated with serotonin is depression. Depression has often been linked to reduced serotonin activity, particularly in brain systems involved in mood and emotional regulation. When serotonin levels are low or signaling is disrupted, individuals may experience persistent low mood, lack of motivation, sleep disturbances, and changes in appetite. This idea contributed to the development of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, commonly known as SSRIs. These medications work by increasing the availability of serotonin in the brain, helping to improve mood in some individuals. However, it is important to note that depression is not caused solely by low serotonin. It involves a complex interaction of biological, psychological, and social factors. A second disorder closely linked to serotonin is anxiety disorders. Serotonin plays a key role in regulating emotional responses and controlling fear and stress. When serotonin systems are disrupted, the brain may become more reactive to perceived threats. This can lead to excessive worry, tension, and heightened emotional responses. SSRIs are also commonly used to treat anxiety disorders, reflecting the role of serotonin in emotional regulation. A third important condition is obsessive-compulsive disorder. OCD is characterized by intrusive thoughts and repetitive behaviors. Serotonin is thought to play a role in regulating thought patterns and behavioral control. Disruptions in serotonin systems may contribute to the difficulty individuals experience in stopping repetitive thoughts and actions. Again, treatments that increase serotonin availability have been shown to reduce symptoms in some cases. Another disorder associated with serotonin is eating disorders. Serotonin is involved in appetite regulation and feelings of satiety. In conditions such as anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa, serotonin systems may be disrupted, affecting how individuals perceive hunger, fullness, and body image. This highlights the role of serotonin not only in mood, but also in basic biological functions. There is also evidence linking serotonin to sleep disorders. Serotonin is involved in regulating sleep-wake cycles and is a precursor to melatonin, a hormone that controls sleep. Disruptions in serotonin can therefore affect sleep patterns, contributing to difficulties falling asleep or maintaining restful sleep. From a broader perspective, these disorders highlight several key principles. First, serotonin is involved in many different systems, including mood, appetite, and sleep. This means that dysfunction can produce a wide range of symptoms. Second, balance is essential. Both low and disrupted serotonin activity can lead to problems. Third, serotonin interacts with other neurotransmitters, meaning that disorders often involve complex networks rather than a single cause. There are also important implications for treatment. Understanding serotonin has led to the development of widely used medications such as SSRIs, which are used to treat depression, anxiety, and OCD. However, these treatments are not effective for everyone, and they often take time to produce effects. This suggests that serotonin is only part of the story. It is important to evaluate serotonin explanations carefully. The idea that serotonin is simply the happiness chemical is misleading. While it plays a role in mood, it is also involved in many other processes. Similarly, disorders such as depression and anxiety cannot be reduced to a single chemical imbalance. They involve complex interactions between biology, cognition, and environment. Despite this, serotonin remains a key part of understanding mental health. So, what is the key takeaway? Serotonin is a crucial neurotransmitter involved in mood, emotion, sleep, and appetite. When its systems are disrupted, it can contribute to disorders such as depression, anxiety, obsessive-compulsive disorder, eating disorders, and sleep disorders. Or broadly, these conditions show how deeply our mental and physical experiences are connected to brain chemistry. So the next time you feel calm, anxious, happy, or tired, remember this. These experiences are influenced by serotonin working behind the scenes. And when that system becomes unbalanced, it can shape how we feel, think, and experience the world. A powerful reminder that the chemistry of the brain plays a central role in the human experience.
If you enjoyed our channel, please click subscribe.